Quick disclaimer before I start this video. I was using my headset mic, so don't think that I was using my Blue Yeti, cause this mic audio is trash right now with the headset on. Yeah, so accessories. I was trying to copy on my phone too, so if you guys see me like pause in like some frames, it's cause I was copying on my phone and I wasn't on the computer. Next week I'll use Force Cop for sure. Even if it's like a hype drop or anything, I'm using Force Cop next week. And let me know if Force Cop worked for you. If you want a discount code, it's BARLOS at checkout for Force Cop, 10% off. And make sure you guys subscribe, like the video if you do enjoy. Keep that in mind that I was using my phone, so don't be blaming me about the mic audio or why I'm not copying it on my computer that quick. Also, if you do want to join my Discord, I'll be leaving a link below. My Snapchat, I'll be putting it up right now. And if you want to subscribe to my gaming channel, feel free. I'll put the link down below. I do Fortnite and all those giveaways and shit. So make sure you do subscribe. Let's see where I copy. I hope I copy here. Sweatshirts. Where the fuck is t-shirts? Wow, it probably sold out now. Fuck. Fuck. You all. It's in tops and sweaters. Wow. Alright, so this sold out. Just go check out. Is it worth it though? You all. I took forever. I don't know why. And this shit is acting up, man. The nightlight. Let's. Not sold out. Sweaters sold out. Red glow stick with 6 burner clip and printed logo on front. Nah, I'll pass on that. Remove that. So we took an L, I guess, today. I don't know why. I'm gonna start using Force Cop. I said I was gonna use Force Cop this week, but I don't know why I didn't use it. Process payment. Unfortunately, we can't do this due to your payment being declined by the card issuer. What? It's gonna happen again. Bill. Bitch, remember this address. Just wait until like restocks happen, so. Check out. Wow. I gotta be quick with the restocks. Fuck.